Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the payment methods in the Trainline application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the account button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then at the booking preferences section, look for the payment methods button and just click on that. So as you can see, you have an option to pay with Apple Pay, but you can also add a card. So if you want to do that, just click on the add the new card button. And there you have to type your card number, the name that is on your card, and then the expiry date. And then if you're ready, just click on the submit card details and then the done button at the top of the page on the right, and your card will be added. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.